piano players. So in this demonstration video, I'm just really going to show you how to get on CCLI. So you basically type in CCLI.com, and if you're in the UK like I am, it's going to direct you to the UK site. You would go to sign in your profile, and this is where you would complete your profile. It says join an organization. That's a church that is registered. So your church will want to first register as an organization if they haven't already. And if you click on this, continue, you need an access code for that, or you need to set your own organization. Continue with our organization for now. But if I go over here, purchase today, I'll just show you that when it says create new organization, you can go into this, your country, your type, and you just basically put all the information in and you'll see the different licenses. So remember, every church is responsible to purchase an annual license depending on the songs they use. Now the great thing about this website is when you use the songs, it automatically tracks it for you if you have an account. So you don't have to track it yourself. Anytime you download a song or access a song, it will register that use. In addition to CCLI, you have the function Song Select, which I mentioned in an earlier video, and that's where you can actually join for a separate subscription and have access to thousands of songs. Again, you have to be careful what you're choosing, but if you look over on the left here, you can search by theme. So if we go adoration, you can look at songs under that theme. Great is thy faithfulness. You come over here and you've got the option of the words, tells you it has lyrics. Here it tells you if it has chords, a lead sheet, and also vocal sheet. That's a multi-track, you can look up that, but that's not something we'll get into right now. So you click on the song, Great is Thy Faithfulness, brings it up, got the lyrics, got translations, and if you check the chord box, you can see the song laid out with chords. And it says here, please upgrade your subscription to access the content. So that means this is not public domain. So that means that we go over to here where it says public domain songs, and this lists all the public domain songs that you don't need a paid account for. So if you're wanting to look up, for example, I Surrender All, you click on here, lyrics, chords, I Surrender All. You can print from here or you can put it on your device. You can change the key. Let's change it to E. You can change the chart type. It can be numbers if you want to play that way, or it can be do, re, mi. I don't think you really want to do that. Standard. Let's go back to standard. You can change the number of columns, put it across 2 columns. So there's a lot of functionality here, and then you can just print it out. It also has automatically the song license number and the copyright information at the bottom. This is separate to each church's individual CCLI number, which is what you use to track the songs. But this was really just to show you what the website looks like, firstly for accessing the songs, and also the account for registering and keeping track of the songs that you use. So hopefully that's helpful. All right, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I just want to quickly tell you about 2 courses I have available. They're online courses specifically designed for church piano players. The first one is called 20-Day Church Piano Player. It features over 165 video tutorials that cover every aspect of your role, not just the musical, but also the theological and the pastoral implications of being a church piano player. If you enroll in this course, you're going to be taken through a 20-day plan, which will allow you to see results within 20 days. You have lifetime access, so you can go at your own pace. But within 20 days, you'll be inspired as you see the transformation take place, as you see yourself leading worship more effectively, more confidently, all for the glory of God. Check it out at the link below. The second course available is taken from the full course, but it is purely just the embellishment and the creative playing video tutorials. This is for those of you that don't want to focus on other aspects of the role, but right now you just want to improve the way you play with more expression, with embellishments, with smoother transitions and flow. This is what's going to help you with that. Step-by-step tutorial videos that will give you dozens and dozens of new embellishments and creative ways of playing that you can implement in the songs that you play each Sunday. You can check that out at the link below also.